Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving into luxury on wheels, the 2025 Prevost Millennium Five Star. This isn't just a motor coach. It's a rolling palace designed for those who demand the highest level of comfort, tech, and style. From the outside, the Millennium Five Star makes a bold statement. It rides on the reliable Prevost chassis, known for its strength and smooth handling. The design is sleek and modern, featuring aerodynamic curves, premium chrome accents, and a custom paint job that screams elegance. Under the hood, it's powered by a Volvo D13 engine pushing out 500 horsepower, ensuring a ride that's as powerful as it is refined. Step inside, and you'll immediately feel the difference. The interior is handcrafted with exotic woods, Italian leather, and polished stone surfaces. It's like walking into a high-end penthouse. The layout includes a spacious living area, a full kitchen with state-of-the-art appliances, a luxurious bathroom with a rainfall shower, and a private master suite. Every inch is optimized for comfort and class. Technology in the Millennium Five Star is top tier. It features a fully integrated smart control system, letting you manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and security right from your phone or tablet. The motor coach also includes multiple 4K TVs, a high-fidelity surround sound system, and satellite internet for constant connectivity. Driving the Millennium Five Star is surprisingly easy for a vehicle this size. The cockpit is equipped with a digital dashboard, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Air suspension provides a cloud-like ride, whether you're cruising the highway or parked for the night. With a starting price well into the seven-figure range, the 2025 Prevost Millennium Five Star isn't for everyone, but for those seeking unmatched luxury and freedom on the road, it's a dream come true. Thanks for riding along with Engine Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive excellence.